Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Generating income via the internet is a trendy subject matter presently. There are many ways to do it, but one of the most effective is affiliate marketing. You can earn revenue by promoting other people's products or services on your website. First, let's talk about starting with a website. Before you can start making money with affiliate marketing, you need to choose a niche. A niche is a specific area of focus that you will choose to write about. It's important to choose a niche that you are interested in and have knowledge about. This way, it will be easier for you to create content that your audience will find valuable. When choosing your niche, consider profitability, passion, and competition. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your site. You can use a platform like WordPress or Squarespace, hire someone to build your site, or use a pre-built website template. Just make sure that your website looks professional and is easy for users to navigate. Next, it's time to create content. This is what will attract visitors to your site and help convert them into leads or customers. When creating content, make sure it's high quality, relevant, and promotes products or services. Finally, it's time to promote your site and get traffic to it. You can do this by using SEO and social media marketing, guest blogging, and networking with other bloggers and website owners in your niche. By following these steps, you can make money online with affiliate marketing. It's important to grow your business by analyzing your results, evaluating and adjusting your strategy, and rinse and repeating the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.